Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome back, fellow motorbike enthusiasts. Today, I'm thrilled to unveil the ultimate guide to optimizing your 80 cubic centimeters motorized bike with the world's top 5 best carburetors. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just getting started, this video is packed with expert insights and recommendations to elevate your biking experience. So, if you're ready to take your ride to the next level, join me as we explore the finest carburetors on the market. Let's dive in. Don't forget to check the link in the description below for more details. Number 1. Motorized Racing Carburetor 2-stroke, the ultimate solution for unleashing the full potential of your 80 cubic centimeters motorized bike. Crafted to perfection, this carburetor comes equipped with a 19 mm diameter, complete with a filter for enhanced air intake. Available in vibrant red and blue colors, it seamlessly fits 2-stroke 49 cubic centimeters, 66 cubic centimeters, 70 cubic centimeters, and 80 cubic centimeters engines without the hassle of adjusting throttle. Designed for convenience, the side screw allows easy idle adjustments, ensuring smooth operation. With a 6 mm jet, starting with the smallest size facilitates effortless installation. Moreover, the jet doesn't require excessive force for tightening. For optimal performance, consider wrapping thread tape when replacing the NT carb, and adjust jet size accordingly, especially at higher elevations. Elevate your riding experience with the Motorized Racing Carburetor 2-stroke, the best companion for your 80 cubic centimeters motorized bike. Number 2. BH Motor New Bike Engine Carburetor, the ultimate solution for enhancing the performance of your motorized bike. Crafted to perfection, this carburetor is the best companion for 80 cubic centimeters motorized bikes, ensuring optimal fuel delivery and engine efficiency. Compatible with a range of engine sizes including 49 cubic centimeters, 50 cubic centimeters, 60 cubic centimeters, and 66 cubic centimeters, it offers versatility like no other. Engineered with precision, this carburetor guarantees smooth acceleration, improved throttle response, and hassle-free installation. Say goodbye to sluggish performance and hello to unparalleled power with the BH Motor carburetor. Whether you're cruising through city streets or tackling rough terrains, this carburetor ensures consistent performance and reliability. Elevate your riding experience and unleash the full potential of your motorized bike with the BH Motor New Bike Engine Carburetor. Number 3. Tote My Bike Engine Carburetor, the go-to choice for enhancing the performance of your 80 cubic centimeters motorized bike. Designed for engines ranging from 50 cubic centimeters to 80 cubic centimeters, this carburetor ensures optimal fuel delivery for maximum power output. Crafted from durable aluminum and subjected to rigorous quality control standards, it promises longevity and reliability. The package includes a 48-inch throttle cable for added convenience and affordability. Its compact size of 4.25-inch by 2.36-inch by 1.38-inch makes it suitable for various small gas engine projects, from bicycles to scooters and even skateboards. The integrated filter housed in the black plastic shroud ensures clean fuel intake, contributing to smoother operation. Trust Tote My for top-notch carburetor solutions, and don't hesitate to reach out via email if you encounter any issues. Upgrade to the best carburetor for your 80 cubic centimeters motorized bike and experience superior performance today. Number 4. JRL 49 cubic centimeters, 60 cubic centimeters, 66 cubic centimeters, 80 cubic centimeters carburetor, the perfect fit for your 2-stroke engine motorized bicycle. Engineered to deliver optimal performance, this carburetor is tailored for 49 cubic centimeters, 60 cubic centimeters, 66 cubic centimeters, and 80 cubic centimeters engines, ensuring a seamless fit and enhanced biking experience. Crafted with premium quality materials, installation is a breeze, making it ideal for both enthusiasts and beginners. The package includes one carburetor, meticulously designed to match your motorized bike's specifications. With its precise size and shape, it seamlessly integrates with your bike's engine, guaranteeing a smooth and efficient ride. Prioritize performance and reliability with the JRL carburetor. Before ordering, ensure compatibility by cross-referencing the appearance and dimensions with your original carburetor. Elevate your biking adventure today with the best carburetor for 80 cubic centimeters motorized bikes. Number 5. Keepa Carburetor Air Filter Intake Kit, the ultimate upgrade for your 80 cubic centimeters motorized bike. Crafted with precision using CNC machining, this top-quality carburetor ensures improved throttle response and optimal engine performance. With a manifold intake bore diameter of 19 mm and an air filter side mounting diameter of 58 mm, it's designed to fit seamlessly into your bike or scooter. The package includes everything you need for installation: a new carburetor, fuel filter, mounting gasket, intake, and a set of jet kits for DIY tuning. While easy to install, please note that certain pocket bikes, ATVs, or scooters may require careful consideration of space for installation. This performance carburetor is both durable and stable, promising a perfect idle and top accelerator status for your powerful rides. Upgrade now and experience the difference with Keepa. In conclusion, selecting the best carburetor for your 80 cubic centimeters motorized bike is crucial for optimal performance. Whether it's enhancing fuel efficiency or boosting power, finding the right fit can make a significant difference in your riding experience. Remember to consider factors like compatibility, airflow, and fuel mixture adjustments. We hope this guide has been helpful in your decision-making process. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share for more updated videos.